Yeah, yeah, I took the $5 flex and I flipped it. Avatar talking, yeah, I'm really with it. Side hustle stacking passive in my pivot. AI cash school got me living like I did it.
There was a time I didn't even know what AI Cash School was. No talking avatars, no YouTube bag, no clue. I could build a whole digital business for $5 a month? Inside the AI Cash School, you get everything. You get YouTube boot camps, AI feet pics, faceless niches, training jobs, resale votes. Hell, you even learn how to clone yourself. Now catch that tea. I took the $5 course and leveled the fuck up. Now I've got talking avatars, faceless side hustles, and a whole digital bag, while I sip champagne at 30,000 feet. This ain't luck. This is AI Cash School.